Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to do a shoe review. I don't have some repairs right now on my vehicles, so I'm just going to do a shoe review. I do have a Harden volume 8. Okay, this is the blue ones, and on the other side it is the black ones, and some says that this is the new Panda, Nike Dunks Panda. I don't know, but usually these shoes are kind of hard to cop, so they always sold out. This shoe is kind of hard to buy, so even if you go to the store, they always sold out in a day or two. So once they release, you just have to be there in the store or online, at least here in Canada. I don't know about in the US. Okay, so later on I'm going to do a sizing review. So this is going to be the detailed look. Let's just remove it first. Let's remove this one, so you could just I could just rotate it just for this shoe alone. This is the newest release here in Canada. I think there's a coming upcoming colorway, the black and yellow. I received this last week. Here's the James Harden logo. It's not really obvious because it's the same color, it's also blue. What I've noticed in this shoe, it's kind of a bit longer than the usual. I wear size 11 to 11 and a half, but the shoe actually looks like size 12 to me. I already got my tape measure. I just want to measure how long is this guy. Like, it seems like it's longer than the usual, you know. I'll say maybe 12 and 3/4. That's quite long, you know what I mean. So 2 pull tabs, one up front, one at the back. Okay, you see the herringbone traction. There's a radial one here. Oh, I mean 2. Okay, Adidas 3 stripe. Let's check the other colorway. This one here. Okay, the Adidas logo there. It's basically the same as the blue ones. What I like with this one is this red popping out. Like, you know, there's a red accent there. More, it adds more in styling. Okay, there's also the same pull tab here and pull tab here at the back with the James Harden logo. 3 stripes. The way it was styled is kind of weird. I mean, weird in a kind of nice way, at least for me. And as for the sizing, I do have a wide foot. That's why I went half a size up. But if you do have a narrow foot, I'll suggest go true to size. Okay, so for sizing, I'm gonna do a cross reference. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, just to let you see. Okay, for Jordan 12s, I usually wear size 11, and for Jordan 11, I usually wear size 11 and a half, and for Yeezys, I wear size 11 and a half also, but sometimes I wear size 11. So I think you understand what I'm trying to say, and here are some of my shoes too. But if I do have time, I'm going to post it. I'm gonna review too some of these. Okay,